Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we are fixing the issue where the Instagram comments are not showing up, or maybe the comments disappear, don't load, show no comments yet. You can follow up these fixes to get started. So, first of all, open up Instagram, and once you open up Instagram, you can just pull down the refresh. So, you can hold and pull it down and refresh your Instagram. Instagram sometimes delays the comments. Also, weak internet makes the comments to fail to load, so you can access the quick settings panel and look out for the internet that you're connected to and try switching between the mobile data and Wi-Fi and fix it. Or you can clear up your Instagram application cache. So hold the Instagram app and go to the info and tap on it. And once you tap on app info, you can scroll down, go to the storage section and tap on it and just go over and look out for the clear cache option and clear the cache. That should fix the missing or invisible comments. You can just go over and do so. Or you can disable the comment filters. So go to Instagram for that. And once you go to Instagram, go to your profile and select it. After you select your profile, look out for the menu option in the top right corner and select it. And access your settings and privacy. From here, look out for hidden words. So you can type in hidden words. This one right here and tap on it. And once you find the settings, you can just go over and if there's any kind of filter here, you can turn it off and confirm it up. That should also fix the issue sometimes. And you can just go over and check for restricted or blocked accounts as well. So you can head over to account that you want to comment from. So you can just go over to one of the account and see if you have restricted them. If you have, you can look out for the three dot in the top and select it. And instead of restrict option right here that appears, you can find an unrestrict option. You just need to go ahead and tap on it and unrestrict the person of whose you want to see the comment from. And that should work. Apart from that, you can try logging out or logging in. Go to the top and select it. And scroll down, find the logout option and confirm it up. And again, log in back into Insta. And that should probably work out for you. And also refresh your device, you can hold the power button and look out for the restart option and restart your whole device and try accessing the application once again. And that's it. These methods will fix the Instagram comments not showing problems. So if your comments are still not appearing, you can follow this out. And thank you for watching this video and also like and subscribe.